How to download Schwab app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Schwab app on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, on your Android phone, simply locate Google Play Store and open it up. Then from the bottom, double tap the search icon and just type in Schwab. When you do that and hit the search button, you'll find the first application from Charles Schwab Corporation, that is Schwab Mobile. This is the official mobile banking application that you might want to download. So to download it, tap on the install button right here on your Android phone and the application will begin downloading. And just like that, you have successfully went ahead and then downloaded the Charles Schwab mobile application. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.